What? We're gonna go into Walmart. And we're gonna find stuff. What's the coolest thing we've ever found, do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it.
You don't know.
A lot of cool stuff.
I know, but you can't pick just one item? Like the comic book or...
Oh, the comic book for sure. I thought you meant like Walmart.
Yeah, like totally. We sold a lot of cool stuff. Cars, comic books, expensive antiques. Pretty cool. And here we are. These are the little Sanyo DVD players I was talking about. They are marked down to 25 bucks. 25 bucks. They were 98. We're gonna see how many we can get. Help me out here, Noah. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why I bring a kid along with me. 5. 6. So that's 6 of them. High five. That was. Come on, try that again. There we go. There's supposed to be more. Supposed to be more. Let me check my phone and I'll be right back. Okay, this is the toy booth and it is pretty decimated. I didn't sell hardly any of my Mark McGuire stuff, but I did sell a lot of other stuff, so I need to get a lot more toys. I'm gonna have to start buying some lots off eBay or something to try to get some cheap toy lots or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna put most of the stuff as toys, so I'll put it back in the booth. And he's trying to get the Batmobile back together, so we're going to work on this booth and then I'll show you how messed up my other booths are. Not sure how this happened, but my perfumes display got pushed out into the aisle a little bit, but this is everything else in this booth. Been selling a lot of the shoes. Somebody bought my big... Oh, no, they didn't. Somehow I don't understand how people... They love to reorganize your booth sometimes. It's interesting. It is interesting. But sold a crate that was there. Should have put more on it. Oh, my DVDs are a little messy, but that's to be expected. They're DVDs. People look through them and stuff. I've sold a couple. Sold some. That's always good. I like selling stuff. There we go. Slide everything back in where it goes. That goes down to the other booth. I need to get rid of that TV. That TV's got to go. There's my monitor. Monitors have got to go. I thought I sold it, but apparently it didn't get sold. Messy, messy. There we go. It's not mine. There we go. Huh, interesting. There was something there that sold. I don't know what it was. I'm gonna move this down. Put it right there. That'll work. There we go. So we just left the booth. I didn't do a whole lot this month. I'm kind of disappointed. We did probably about 300 bucks. Maybe by the end of the month we'll do $400. I'm gonna have to start putting better stuff in, I guess. I don't know. It's really a whole lot of work for not a whole lot of profit. I'm just don't want to have to take everything back home and have to worry about storing all my shelving and stuff. I really wish I had a building. If I had a building, that would help out a ton. So that's probably something I need to start thinking about, is start building a nice facility on my property that I can work out of. I'm just gonna have to spend the money and do it. It's a tax write-off anyway. So Noah got him some beef jerky, so he's kind of excited about that. He got him some gloves. Now he's gonna try to work hard. Look at all the shoes, Noah. There's shoes everywhere. See if there's any good ones.
Yeah.
I don't see any. I don't see any. I'll show you guys what I got so far. I've got some hats. I got this nice Komatsu machinery hat. I got this nice Daytona International Speedway hat. I got this Kent hat, brand new with a tag. That's from Cap America. I got this, that's kind of cool. Kali Spell Lakers. It's got a big K on it. That's an old hat. I like that a lot. Got a good look. I got a couple of Trolls toothbrushes. They're $1.75 a piece. The hats are $1 a piece. And then I found this one-step camera for $8. That's all I found so far. Found Noah, but let me see if they'll let me trade him for all this stuff in the cart. Okay, this is what I got here. I got a set of these 12 children's Bible encyclopedias. Paid 50 cents a piece for them. They're pretty cool. I might keep them for my kids. They don't sell for a whole lot, but I really like this kind of stuff for my children. I bought several of these Left Behind books. I put these together. I got them. I like getting them from here because they're only 35 cents a piece for books. I did end up scoring those hats. I didn't pick up anything else other than what I showed you in the cart. After getting those books here, so that's pretty much it. We're gonna head off to Goodwill now, and hopefully we find some more awesome stuff. Well, I just walked in and I seen a guy holding a DVD VCR combo. That sucks, but let's see if there's anything else here. I don't know. Not a whole lot of purses. Nada. Nah, I don't think so either. Wish they'd push out some carts. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Sometimes I find good stuff in here. Every once in a while, not too often.
We need a box up front for a bunch of glassware. Thank you.
Excuse me. See if we can find any good hats. I don't know who most of these are. That's the Seattle Mariners. Whoever had them bent the heck out of the bills. I hate it when people do that. No, that's enough of that. Somebody turned in all their hats, but they're all bent up. Bent up. I think they're supposed to be flat billed hats and they bent them all to a curve. Okay, I just left Goodwill. I got a couple of really cool things. I got this Warhammer book that sells for about 30 bucks on eBay. I got this really neat shirt. It's an American Thresherman 2017. It's from Illinois. I got another one of those Left Behind books. I got this TV stand for 2 bucks, and what's cool about it is that it comes with the mounting hardware. And then I bought this. The plastic on it's a little bit yellowed, but that's okay. I'll be okay. It sells for about $80 shipped, and I paid 10 bucks for it. So that's pretty cool. Not too bad of a day thrifting. If I could do this every day, I would be excited. So there you go. Looks like we have some sort of situation up here. Situation.
That's a nice Jeep over there.
Yep. Oh no, don't block the road. Let us through. There we go.
Oh, good.
There we go. Come on. Somebody broke down on the overpass. That's a horrible place to have a breakdown. That's a horrible place to have a breakdown. Ain't it, Noah?
Right as it's going up too.
Yep.
It would be a little bit better if it was actually like up here to where it was level, but it's not level. Like your car could roll down if it didn't have really good brakes on it.
Nice and gloomy. Nice and gloomy.
That's Missouri for you.
Yep, state of misery. Anyways. Okay, this is a return on an item that the people said did not work. So we're going to open it up. We're going to see what's inside. We're going to see if it's the brand new item that I sent. They said that there were bad pixels on the screen. Could very well be, but it was a Radio Shack piece of equipment, which means it's probably, it's good quality, but it is old, you know. But it was never used, so that's what makes you wonder. It was okay. It was never used, and that's what makes you wonder. Is how could it be bad if it was brand new? So far, so good. Looks to be in really good shape. Only one way to find out, and that's to test it. Find the right. Four AA batteries. Yep, looks like it was broke. You can see very well there, but the screen is messed up, so it was a legitimate return. It was brand new in the original box. It's just so crazy. I'd have never thought it. I should have tested it. That's my fault. I'll still list it for parts or repair as is. Put the screens bad on it. Maybe I can get 10 or 15 bucks out of it. That's pretty much it. It's just crazy that it wouldn't work. But that's how some of this stuff ends up at auction, is that people buy it and it ends up not working, so they take and dump it at the auction, and people like me end up purchasing it, and there you go. But what I'll do is I'll end up listing it as is for parts, and put the screen isn't good. There's bad pixels or something, and maybe somebody has one that has a good screen, and maybe they can use it as parts and fix it. So that's it. Thanks for watching.
Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.